Hello everyone, this is Karen Elaine, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to make these really very handy envelopes. And I'm using paper that is actually from Collage Soup, double-sided paper. So it's a downloadable file. I think it was only 99 cents, and I love it that I can have double-sided paper. The paper size that I'm using is 8 inches square, but you can use a 9-inch, 10-inch, 6-inch, and that will determine the size of your envelope. And I made these because I'm going to be giving these away to some nurses and caregivers, and I needed something to put them in. So I sized it to fit these little warrior dolls. These little dolls, I have a video for that, and so these envelopes will fit these dolls just perfectly. So let's get started. All right, so what you're going to need is, you're going to need, of course, the paper. You're going to need a little X-Acto knife, or you'll need a bone folder and a pencil and some glue. And I have a little piece of chipboard to protect the paper when I do the slice on it, because these are these envelopes have a little slot that you can kind of keep them, reuse them over and over. And I love that part of it. Now what you're going to do, and this is a very simple fold, is you're going to just fold it in kind of in a diagonal fold. And you're going to open it up, and you can decide which side you want to be the main, the side you want to show the most. So I'm going to go ahead and fold the two lower points along the crease I just made to make a kind of a kite fold. I'm just going to get that on both sides, and they just need to match, meet this long crease, like so, okay? And then what you need to do is take this long point, and you're going to fold it up just a little bit above, and that's a little bit about 1/2 inch, and it's lining up with this crease here. I'm just going to fold it like this, and then I'm going to fold these outer edges to the edge of the fold that I just made, like this. And then what I want to do is I'm going to decide which one's going to which. This is going to this one. Okay. So what I want to do is just determine the height of my envelope. So I know that I don't want it to go, I want the top to just be folded right around here. So I'm going to go ahead and make that crease to like so. I'm just going to double check that it fits inside, and I'm going to make this point match, or just line up the point with that crease that's down the center, and then just give it a fold, and this just to make sure it fits. Now what I have to do is kind of get everything together here. So all the pre-folds are all done. So I'm going to take, except for this little piece, I'm going to fold this little point just so that it lines up, that crease lines up with the edge underneath. I'm just going to give it a crease, and then I'm going to reverse this, and I'm just going to bring it that same fold. And what I do is I'm going to, at this point, start gluing things down. So I'm going to put a little glue here along this whole thing, including this little tip here. And I'm going to take the glue and just to run a little glue on this. Okay, and then I'm going to just fold this straight over, and I'm going to take this and tuck it behind, like that. Okay, so that secures that. And then this little part, I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on this edge, and I'm just going to fold it over, and a little glue on this edge, and I'll fold it over. Okay, so the envelope is finished, but I want to make a closure that so that I don't have to paste it down. So what I'm going to do is first of all, I want to make a little, like a mark right here and here, straight across, just a little mark with my pencil so I know where I want the slice to be, and I'm just doing it so that that can tuck in. And I'm going to take my little piece of chipboard just so I don't cut through the whole envelope, and I'm just going to do a slice matching right across those 2 points that I had just marked. And that's how easy it is. And now I'm going to just take that and It just tucks right in and closes right up. Isn't that great? I love this little envelope. It could be used for so many things, but I love it for these little warrior dolls because they just need a little something, like a little surprise that comes through. And maybe I'll decorate the front of it or something. I don't know yet. But there it is. There's the little envelope, and I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And I hope you have a great day.